Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by melting the dairy milk chocolate gently so it stays glossy and smooth. Use a double boiler or microwave on low power in 20-30 second bursts. Stir between bursts to avoid overheating. Once the chocolate reaches about 40-45 degrees C and becomes fluid, remove from heat and stir until slightly cooler. Make sure to keep your tools and parchment nearby so you can move straight to shaping. This prevents seizing and preserves the silky texture you want for crisp chips. Once the melted milk chocolate is smooth, temper it so chips snap and shine. Cool it down to roughly 27-29 degrees C by stirring or spreading on a cool surface, then gently rewarm to 30-31 degrees C. This stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. Next, spoon into a piping bag and cut a small 3-5 mm tip, or use a small spoon. Pipe 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter drops onto parchment, spacing about 1 centimeter apart. Consistency and temperature control ensure uniform, non-bleeding chips. After piping, let the chips set in a cool place or chill for 10-20 minutes until they snap cleanly. Avoid rapid cooling that causes bloom. Once set, peel from parchment and store in an airtight container at about 16-18 degrees C to keep texture. If chips become oily, grainy, or seize, don't discard them. Gently melt to 40-45 degrees C and retemper, or add a small amount of tempered solid chocolate to reset crystal structure. This fixes common problems quickly and preserves flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.